Quite a nice piece by Jonathan in Springstone. 1.5 meters tall. Still gotta be sandpapered and polished. Hard to see. Jonathan's working at Sylvester Mobise now. His quality seems to have improved a bit.